Good morning. Woo, it is early and I just woke up. I'm still wearing my pajamas but I do have my coffee. Thank goodness. That's actually my first drink. So happy Vlogmas Day 19. Wow. And I am excited because today is the 19th, right? 19th. No, today's the 20th. Oh my goodness. Happy Vlogmas Day 20. The time goes so fast. So I only have like 4 days left of this. Wow. And then it's Christmas. And actually, we're celebrating Christmas here on the 24th because Katie and Alex are going to go to their dad's on Christmas Day. So we're going to have Christmas Eve on the 23rd and Christmas Day on the 24th. So it will be fun. We're going to do all the things that we do on the 23rd, on the Christmas Eve, usually on the 23rd. So it will be good. But today is, I am off, and it's kind of a no worry kind of a day. Let's see, I'm trying to think of things that we are going to be doing. So I know that I want to knit, obviously. I want to finish something. I'm hoping that I finish something. I don't know if I will or not. I've been working on lots of things. I think I've mentioned that yesterday. So I'm not sure if I will be able to finish anything or not, but I'm kind of hoping that I will. And either way, I'm going to make progress on everything. That's what I said, and I'm okay with that. But I'd really like to get something off the needles. And then I also need to work on my closet upstairs in the bedroom. I have lots of clothes that no longer fit, and I have lots of things that I just need to put away, and then I have things that I no longer use or wear or like, and I just need to make a big pile for Goodwill, and I need to take care of that, and I'm hoping that I can do that today. That sounds like a really big undertaking, but it also sounds like it would be so nice to have it done. I also have like my Ellie boxes with clothes that either don't fit yet or just I haven't worn yet, and I have a lot of those. I have more than I expected, and so I'm glad I canceled that. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but it was the subscription box for workout clothes, which is fabulous. It's a great deal, and I'd really recommend it if you live in the States, because I don't think that they go outside of the States. But it's a really cool box that you can get, and it's ELLIE. But I have a lot of them, and I need to figure out a place to put my workout clothes. What do you guys do with your workout clothes? And your pajamas and stuff like that, like the things that you don't hang up? Do you guys put them in a dresser, or do you put them on shelves? I'm not really sure how to handle that. I have a dresser that I have some things in, but I don't know, dressers just seem so, I don't know the word. They just don't seem like they're as practical as they should be. But I guess that's the best thing to do with them. That will make me clean out my dresser too. And I can put my workout clothes in a drawer, but the thing is that I could probably fill my dresser with these workout clothes. Crazy. I have a lot. Okay, so I'm going to let you guys go, and I'm going to enjoy my coffee and some knitting, and I'm going to watch a couple of YouTube podcasts, hopefully, before I get started on other things. Everyone is still asleep right now, so I won't worry about any of that until later. But if I had my druthers, I would probably work really early in the morning and get it all taken care of. I might even clean the house a little bit today, or I might wait until tomorrow. I guess it depends on how I feel. I just want to dust. I don't know. I have to dust every week because we get dusty. I don't know. I'm awfully chatty for this early morning. So I am letting you guys go now, and hopefully I will check in later. Happy day. This is not something I'm proud of, but these are some piles that I am working on cleaning up. these are new piles, but look at my closet clothes. I mean, I don't wear these. I do not wear all of these. It's ridiculous. So hopefully this will give me an incentive. Now this pile, this has been here. I don't know what that white trash bag is. I think Dennis put that there. But those are like my purses and stuff. I have way too many suitcases. It's crazy. So that's what I'm working on. Look at what that Katie did. Look how cute it is with the little hat on top. I've never done that. And then that's a little Santa that I painted a long time ago. And then there's some party snowmen there that my bestest friend Linda got it for me. I'm just so excited to come home to this. It was so sweet. And look at the fireplace mantle. We have to hang the stockings.
Did you see the thing that's lit up?
Yes. And then there's a pretty lit up. And there's a Jambo right there. Hi, Jambo. Oh, and the pillows. There's my knitting stuff. Yeah, I need to clean that up. But I'm doing it. I'm using it. And then there's a party sled with the lights. And then there's a party wreath on the door. And there's Noel here that my mama made it. Oh, right there. And then over here, there's another party plastic canvas thing that my mama made it. So yay, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. And here's the chicken that did it all. Yay. Love you, chicken.
Love you too.
Okay, even with the trees kind of crummy looking. Was I supposed to turn there? Goodness gracious. No, I think it's up here. Can't remember where it is. It looks better than I do today, so enjoy the view. Not much to see, but I don't know, it's neat to see other lands, especially if you're not from here. All the evergreens. I'm yawning again. So yeah, a little taste of Indiana. We're almost there. It is really close. All right, I'll talk to you later. Well, it has been a very productive day. I have spent probably 3.5 hours upstairs working on the closet. Whew, still not done. And I have 3 huge garbage bags full of clothes that we're taking to Goodwill. I went through a few of my purses and a few of my shoes, and I got rid of some of those too. It's crazy how much you accumulate. So we're taking a break and I'm going to get some lunch. They have this blueberry grilled chicken salad that sounds really good at a place called Jagger's that is pretty close to us, so I'm going to go there. Dennis wants a bacon cheeseburger. Katie wants a salad too, so we're gonna get that and enjoy our lunch. And then Dennis is working tonight. Katie and I are probably just going to watch movies and knit or something. I know she's taking a shower now. Got a late start for the day too. It's 1 o'clock, so kind of ready for a nap, but I doubt that I'll take one as I yawn. But I'm going to knit some. I still want to get some of that done. I feel good about the closet. I still have a lot to do, but I've done a lot. I made a big dent, so I feel good about that, and there's always another time to work on it some more. I'm pooped from it, so I'm gonna stop for now. And what else do I know? Tomorrow we're going to go to the little Charles Dickens town, and I don't know what time we're gonna do that. I'll have to figure that out with Kate as to what time she wants to go. I think that they open at 4, so, but it's about an hour, maybe a little bit longer away, so we will figure that out. And then I'm like really pooped and my shoulders are hurting. Folding clothes, taking them off the hangers, folding clothes, taking them off the hangers, folding clothes. I haven't even gone through all of my hangers yet to take out everything that I don't want. And then I came down because we were doing laundry and I had to fold more clothes. Luckily they were mostly towels and one of the fitted sheets. I hate folding those. I know the secret that you put your hands in it, and I still do that, and it looks halfway decent, but only halfway because I can't get it to look good. But who looks at my folded sheets anyway? If you are, then you deserve to see what you see. Alright, well, I'm gonna let you guys go. I just wanted to bring you along to tell you hello and let you know what I'm up to today. Maybe I'll turn the camera around for a minute so you can see the road. I know some of you like that, and the trees have all, gone leafless and all that. So here we go. Let's do that. Well, look what I got finished. I got one of my cowls done. It's not totally done. I haven't tucked in the edges, and it obviously hasn't been blocked, but it has this pretty cable braided pattern over here, and it's just one side of that, and I mean, you could wear it however you wanted, but I think I'll wear it to the side, kind of like that. Yeah, so yay, I got it done. Woohoo! And I worked a little bit more upstairs, so whew, I am tired. So I'm just gonna watch some TV and probably knit some more, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Happy Vlogmas Day 20.